Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best fly making kit is probably one of the most rewarding aspects of fly fishing. Imagine the satisfaction of catching a fish with a fly you created yourself. This video will guide you through the essentials of fly making, from selecting the right tools and materials to mastering basic techniques. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this review will help you choose the perfect kit to get started. Number 5. Colorado Anglers Fly Tying Kit. Introducing the Colorado Anglers Fly Tying Kit, an all-in-one set perfect for beginners and pros. It comes in a stylish wooden box, including all the essential tools and materials. This kit provides everything needed to create effective flies. This kit features a top-quality rotary fly tying vise. It offers 360-degree rotation for precise access. The vise provides stability, ensuring effortless adjustments. Equip yourself with high-quality fly tying tools designed for efficiency and precision. The kit includes a reliable bobbin, sharp scissors, and a whip finisher. These tools help you create flies that perform exceptionally on the water. Unleash your creativity with a variety of fly tying materials. The kit includes feathers, furs, threads, and synthetic materials. Experiment with textures and colors to match local hatches. With this comprehensive set, you're ready to tie flies for any fishing situation. Looking for the ideal gift for an angler? This kit is the answer. It's a thoughtful gift that offers hours of creative enjoyment. The wooden box adds a touch of elegance, making it a beautiful addition to any fishing room. What we like. This kit is a complete starter set, including a premium rotary vise for precision tying. It also comes with versatile materials and supplies, allowing you to craft numerous fly patterns. If you are a beginner looking to start your fly tying journey, this comprehensive kit provides everything you need for success. What people say. Great value for what came with the kit. Easy to use for beginners wanting to learn how to tie a fly. For a beginner kit, this is a perfect start. The tools are durable and worth what you're paying. Number 4. Premium Fly Tying Materials Kit. This kit includes high-quality feathers and synthetic materials. They are essential for creating beautiful and effective flies. Inside, you'll find unique items like peacock blue plumage and golden rooster tippet feathers. These rare materials will elevate your fly tying. We've added bulk synthetic rabbit hair dubbing for more versatile and vibrant fly patterns. It's a great addition for any fly tier. The kit offers over 100 feathers in a wide range of colors and types. It suits all your fly tying needs, whether you're a beginner or an expert. This kit is the perfect gift for the fly tier in your life. It's ideal to fill a stocking or place under the tree. What we like. This kit stands out with its premium quality materials, including hard-to-find feathers and bulk synthetic rabbit hair dubbing. The variety pack offers over 100 feathers in a wide range of colors. If you like to experiment with different colors and textures, this kit is perfect for creating unique and effective fly patterns. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools and materials to get started. The vise is well made and holds hooks securely. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. Deluxe Fly Tying Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to get into fly tying. It includes everything you need to start creating your own flies, from tools and materials to detailed instructions. The kit features a robust Super AA fly tie vise with a C-clamp. This provides a stable and reliable platform for crafting intricate fly patterns. Equipped with quality tools like scissors, hackle pliers, and a bobbin, this kit ensures you have the right equipment for any fly design. It makes the process easier. The kit includes a diverse selection of high-quality natural fly tying materials. With hackle, dubbing, and marabou, you'll have everything you need. This versatile kit is ideal for both beginners and intermediate tiers. It provides a comprehensive learning experience with an instruction book and DVD to help you get started. What we like. This kit is a complete fly tying kit for beginners and experts, featuring a high-quality Super AA fly tie vise. It includes premium natural fly tying materials, such as hackle and dubbing. If you are looking for a versatile kit with comprehensive instructions, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The kit includes a good selection of hooks, beads, and other materials. The tools are of good quality and work well. The kit is a great way to get started in fly tying. Number 2. Creative Angler Deluxe Fly Tying Kit. This deluxe kit has everything you need. From feathers to rotary tools, it's all there. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. Ready to start fly tying? This kit is designed for everyone. It includes user-friendly tools and materials, making it easy to craft your own flies. Take your fly tying to the next level. This kit includes a high-quality vise and professional-grade rotary tools. They provide the precision needed for intricate fly designs. You'll have plenty of options. The kit includes a wide assortment of fly tying feathers and other materials. You can create numerous fly patterns for any fishing scenario. Keep everything neat and tidy. The deluxe kit comes with a briefcase-style container. It ensures every tool and feather has its place. What we like. This deluxe kit is a complete tools kit, perfect for beginners and pros alike. It features pro-grade tools, including a high-quality vise and rotary tools. If you are looking for a kit that provides precision and versatility for intricate fly designs, you should consider this one. What people say. Works great for a beginner starting in fly fishing. Nice fly tying kit. I'm still trying to make flies. Number 1. Dr.Fish HiFly Fly Tying Kit for Beginners. With the Dr.Fish HiFly kit, you can craft your own flies. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get started, whether you're a beginner or an experienced fly tier. It's perfect for personal use or as a gift. This kit includes essential fly tying tools like a vise, bobbin holder, and specialized scissors. Everything is designed to be within easy reach, allowing you to create flies quickly and efficiently. It helps you save time. The kit offers a wide selection of materials, including 15 packs of hackles, fur, and chenille in various colors. You'll also find expensive hare's mask and elk hair. With these, you can create a variety of fly patterns for different water conditions and species. The alloy aluminum fly tying vise is lightweight yet durable and rust-resistant. The scissors are specially designed for cutting copper thread. This ensures the tools will last for years. The kit includes 55 fly hooks in 3 sizes, along with threads, copper wires, and lead wire. This assortment provides enough materials for the entire season. All tools and materials come in a durable carry case. Please note that cement is not included. What we like. This kit offers time-saving tools, including a vise and exclusive metal scissors, and plenty of choices with 15 packs of hackles. The ultralight design makes it light but strong. If you are a seasoned tier looking for a kit to stock up, or a beginner looking for a joyful kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Their instructor was impressed with the value for the price. Not a lifetime kit, but definitely everything you need to try it out. This is a great starter set. There is a little of everything in this box. The vise is better quality than most others I looked at. He was impressed with all that was included in kit, very comprehensive in tying materials and tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.